previous video, we have studied the random variable. Random variable is a real valued function defined on a sample space of the random experiment. Now in this video, we are going to learn the probability distribution of discrete random variable. In previous standard, we have learned the probability of given random experiment. Let us see the definition of probability distribution of discrete random variable. So here consider x is a real discrete random variable taking the values x1, x2, x3 up to xn with corresponding probabilities p1, p2, p3 up to pn. Then the set of order pairs xi, pi is called probability distribution of the random variable x. For example, if two coins are tossed, and if x, here x is random variable, is the number of heads, then find the probability distribution of the random variable x. Here the random experiment is two coins are tossed. So first we have to find the possibilities of sample points. If two coins are tossed, then sample space S is equal to HH, HT, TH and TT. Now here random variable x is the number of heads. So possibilities of number of heads for this experiment is 0, 1 and 2. 0 means no heads, 1 means there is only one head and 2 means the possibility of two heads. There is only one possibility for no head. TT is the only one possibility for no head. So when x is equal to 0, then probability of x is equal to 1 upon 4. That is 1 is possibility of no head upon total number of sample points, that is 4. So probability of x is equal to 0 is 1 upon 4. Similarly for x is equal to 1, that is for only one head there is two possibilities. Here two possibilities TH and HT for one head. So probability of x is equal to 1 is equal to 2 by 4. And if x is equal to 2, that is both are heads, there is only one possibility for two heads. So probability of x is equal to 2 is 1 upon total number of sample points 4. Probability of x is 1 upon 4. We know that probability of any event or any random variable p of x is equal to number of sample points in n of x upon total number of sample space. So here the probability of every number of elements in x is 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4 and 1 upon 4. So this is the probability distribution for given random variable x. Here student, here note that the sum of all probabilities, here all probabilities are 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4 and 1 upon 4 will get 1. 1 upon 4 plus 2 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4, that is the addition of all probabilities is equal to 1. So in general the probability distribution of discrete random variable x can be given as the random variable x containing x1, x2, x3 up to xn and their corresponding probabilities p of x is p1, p2, p3 up to pn, and summation of all probabilities denoted by pi, I is equal to 1 to n, can be written as P1 plus P2 plus P3 up to plus Pn is equal to 1. Addition of all probabilities is equal to 1. So this is the concept of probability distribution of discrete random variable. Now see the example on probability distribution. Find the probability distribution of number of tails in the simultaneous tosses of 3 coins. So here the random experiment is 3 coins are tossed and the random variable is number of tails in the simultaneous tosses of 3 coins. So first find out the sample space of tosses of 3 coins. So if 3 coins are tossed, 3 coins are tossed, then the sample space S is equal to the possibilities of head and tails are HHH, HHT, HTH, fourth possibility THH, next possibility HTT, next possibility THT, next possibility TTH, and the last one possibility is all are tails. So total number of possibilities are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So number of sample points n of s is equal to 8, that is 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to number of times. Here the coin is tossed 3 times. So 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. Now here x is a random variable and given as number of tails for this random experiment. So write down then random variable x such as number of tails. Here possibilities of number of tails are 0, there is no tail, 0, 1, 2 and 3. So possible values of x is equal to 0, 1, 2 and 3. So for this values 0, 1, 2, 3, we have to find out the probability of each value. So the number of possibilities of x is equal to 0. First find out the number of possibilities of x is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, then there is no tail, the possibility is 1. So value of x is equal to 0 is equal to 1 and this possibility is HHH is equal to 1. The possibility is HHH, there is no tail, so possibility is 1. Now next value for x is equal to 1 is there is only one tail, so that possibilities are only one tail, 1, 2, 3, that is HHT, HTH and THH. So these are 3 possibilities. So value of x is equal to 1 is equal to 3. Now the next possibility x is equal to 2. So such a possibilities for x is equal to 2 are, for x is equal to 2 means 2 tails, number of 2 tails. There are number of 2 tails are 1, 2 and 3. So the possibilities are 3 and that possibilities are HTT, THT and TTH. So number of x is equal to 2 is equal to 3. Now the next possibility for x is equal to 3 tails. X is equal to 3, and for this possibility t t t. So number is 1. Now here we have to find out the probability distribution. So find the probability for each random variable, for each value of random variable x. So first probability is x is equal to 0 is equal to number of x is equal to 0 upon number of s. So number of x is equal to 0 is 1. 1 upon total number of sample points 8. So for x is equal to 0, probability is 1 upon 8. Next probability x is equal to 1 is equal to number of x is equal to 1 upon number of sample points. Then number of x is equal to 1 is equal to 3 upon sample space, sample points are 8. Next probability x is equal to 2 is equal to number of sample points in x is equal to 2 upon number of sample points. Total number of sample points n of s is equal to n of x is equal to 2 is 3. So probability of x is equal to 2 is 3 by 8. And next probability x is equal to 3 is number of x is equal to 3 upon number of sample points, total number of sample points, so 1 upon 8. These are probabilities for random variable, for all values of random variable. So probability distribution can be written as in the tabular form. Therefore probability distribution is given as x and probability of x. Here values of x is 0, 1, 2 and 3, and the corresponding probabilities are x is equal to 0. First probability is 1 upon 8. Next for x is equal to 1, probability is 3 by 8. Next probability for x is equal to 2, 3 by 8. And the last probability for x is equal to 3 is 1 upon 8. So this is the probability distribution for given random variable, which is defined on a given random experiment. So x is random variable and p of x is probability of the corresponding random variable. In this way we can find out the probability distribution of given random variable.